In this particular demonstration, I'm going to show you how to take those snapshots that we did in the previous lesson and be able to revert a virtual machine back to a previous state. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we've got all of those snapshots available. So let's click on the VM itself and look at the snapshot lists. So here's our current list of snapshots, and the one that we're currently operating on is the most recent one, but I have a base snapshot, which I set that is going to allow me to be able to restore it back before the previous state. So that's the one that we're going to restore to. So let's go back to the virtual resources. We'll click on the actual virtual machine itself, and then we'll pull the drop down over here and be able to actually revert a snapshot. So that's right underneath Create a Snapshot. And then from here, I'll have the option to be able to select which snapshot I want to revert back to. If I had a whole bunch of them here, I have the ability also to be able to search. So if I was looking for base, and I had a number of snapshots, I'd be able to pull that up very quickly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and select the base snapshot, and then we'll go through the process of reverting it. So notice here it's going through, and it's currently going to be stopping the file system and then restoring that previous version. So let's take a look at what's happening on the VMware side. So there you can see we're reverting that snapshot, and it's almost finished. Once it does finish, we will be able to then get that virtual machine back to the state it was before we loaded some software.